Hi guys, we are making chocolate ice cream.
No,
What?
peach and cream.
Yes.
We'll crush this Oreo.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
I'm crushing the Oreo. Mama, may tumatawag. Si Mama ulit. Oreo are good.
I'm done.
The others are unbreakable. So how we gonna open it? For now,
tapos ka to abiyat mo mga tambalay
ngayon sa plastic ng ice candy ang ilubog sa tubig na mainit hanggang sa matunaw lang ang chocolate, then spread mo na gamit.
Ibitin ko lang ba para mabuhok dun sa may ice cream. Get some. Get siya ng ano. That's not a.
Let's use this.
No, that's not a ice cream. That's not a ice cream. Let's put it in the.
Let's put in the
Container. You have a cup? Let's put siya in the container na lang.
the container. What is the container?
Yeah.
Maybe let's make some ice cream, but wait, hey, let's boil this
No.
until it melted.
Kaya, gawin lang naman ito. Apo.
Saan?
Sa atin, sama siya sa atin next year. I-open na
Yay!
natin ito.
Winning!
We have the best trio.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Okay. Let's put some milk, but I'm gonna get some milk.
Me, I'll be done. You.
You're gonna get. You're gonna make 2 holes of here. Yeah, and there.
may bukas dun. May bukas dun.
now on, let's put it.
I'll be the one to hold the container.
Oh no! Wait.
Dito na lang natin nilagay.
Oh no, it becomes hardened.
Or dun.
Wag yan. Pag lagyanan ito ng pagkain, kapag may pupuntahan tayo.
What the?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, boss. Caramel.
Macchiato.
You don't know that homemade.
Get some, spoon.
Send me right now, baby, right now. What I'm doing.
Kapag kasama talaga kita, ang dami yung ginagawa sa buhay. Talaga.
Kakamay nakita tayong ingredients ng
Three ingredients only.
Yeah.
Gagawin na agad natin.
Ang ganito.
Mix mo. Mix. Oh, dahan-dahan.
Oh my God.
Oh! Dahan-dahan!
Oh!
Sabi ko eh.
Bakit ganito?
That's okay.
Let's put some more Oreo.
Enough!
Or let's put like this. For cheese. It's only 6 minutes. We make that ice cream Oreo.
You remember that?
You remember that we have ice cream and then you see the ice cream Oreo like that and then it looked like that.
Yeah.
And today we are making ice cream Oreo.
Again.
I love that. I love ice cream. But you're gonna just make some art. I want to make some tutorial of making Oreo ice cream, but I hate it.
Nice. Let's mix it. You get some pork.
For now
What's
on,
the correct pronunciation? Pork. Pork.
Hey.
Pork.
hey, likely I'm gonna say the secret formula of this.
What?
Try. Ingredients.
And later, if it is already
Oh my God. I'm so hungry to eat it.
nice, tasty.
Mom.
Let's put the
Tastes like ice cream, but it's melted. Plastic na lang. Plastic na lang natin for you. Plastic.
plastic na lang talaga lang.
So next, maglagay ng chocolate plastic sa lululul.
Paulit-ulit ka talaga.
Ganito.
Kanina mo pa sana sinabi, hindi na tayo nagsayang ng...
O, sige.
Do you have embudo?
What is embudo?
Sabi na one.
Oh. Like this?
Embudo. No! You hold this like that. No, you remove that.
Embudo.
Hold mo pati yung supot ah.
Embudo. Sarap embudo. It look like it poop. Does it look like chocolate poop?
It's done.
What do you mean it's done? You forget mine. Let's make multiple of that.
A bowl?
Multiple. Let's make
Ako na.
multiple.
Kalik ko na.
Let's make multiple of that tiny.
Pumutok yung pati.
Eh?
Oh my god. My pee is so color brown.
Yan.
Mag-share kayo ni Ethan mamaya dito.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Bibili kayo ng mga ice cream. Ngayon na magbebenta na kami ng ice cream.
What if
Let's put that in the
on the
freezer.
next summer, I'm gonna go here and
I'm gonna put this in the freezer.
let's make ice cream, Oreo ice cream, and let's
Ouch. Oh my god.
sell it.
No, let's eat it.
Let's
I like
wait, guys. We'll put it in the fridge.
Hi guys, we are back.
So guys, hugasan ko muna itong ginamit namin. Wait lang.
Okay, we're back. From now.